I got bit by some evil insect, look at this.
Mole, mole, mole.
Maddie, the owner of Paddle 9, he's been letting us stay in his beautiful house here in Costa Rica, and today we're going on a waterfall tour with his company. We're gonna go explore a bunch of waterfalls around here. Apparently you can jump off some, you can slide down the one, and it also goes to a beautiful beach. So we're gonna document today's awesome adventure for you guys.
Yay!
No. For fingers. For you guys. There you go, baby. She's still learning, she's new.
I'm a newbie.
We're at the first waterfall, and luckily it's a small one because Kaylin has never jumped off anything in her whole life.
Never.
And she can't swim very good. I saw her swimming like 2 days ago. It looked like a cat drowning. This is gonna be funny for you guys and entertaining for me. So let's see if Kaylin can earn herself a cookie, because Paddle 9 said for you to get a cookie, you gotta jump off the waterfall. And she's like, oh, then I'm in.
Stay tuned, I'll do anything for a cookie.
Anything, literally.
It's almost time.
It's almost that time.
Almost time.
There's like 3-year-olds jumping this thing, so she'll be fine.
Oh yeah.
She's gonna get a cookie. Everyone's gonna be happy. What are you gonna do? Triple? Quad? Front flip?
Quad for
Quad
sure.
front flip. Okay, perfect.
Ripped up sheets of paper lying right next to her, prayed for something better to come along and save her, save her, save her. All she needs is someone to hold on. All she needs is someone.
Water slide time, baby.
So babe, did you not have any fun today because you're so scared of water?
I'm terrified of water, but I still had fun.
I think that I'm gonna put the camera away for the rest of the day and get it out tomorrow. We're gonna go into the rainforest tomorrow and do some hiking, hopefully find some wildlife and maybe do some surfing after that. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow.